Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Monday evening, almost 9:30. It's a quiet night under clear skies. We're looking at the Newport Pell Bridge. Chilly, cold, but not nearly as frigid as last night. At last check, as of the 9 o'clock hour, we had temperatures that were in the upper 20s to low 30s. Take a look at the threat tracker, and overall, we've got a decent Tuesday coming up. We'll elevate it to yellow for Wednesday morning, especially early. We don't have any kind of a big storm on the way. In fact, it's mainly rain, though the concern during the early morning hours, kind of a pre-dawn Wednesday, the northwest part of the state, some of this rain may be falling into air that's just below freezing. So there may be some icy spots, especially, say, north and west of Route 295, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the morning. This is primarily rain, and it's a system that's going to be moving very rapidly. We do expect some clearing by mid to late afternoon on Wednesday, and Wednesday evening, Wednesday night looks fine. So it's kind of a wet morning commute, and the evening commute on Wednesday should be dry. And speaking of dry, Thursday is looking okay. Satellite radar composite, here's the wider view. It's fairly quiet across New England. Let's widen it out even more and show you our next system. And you see an area of moisture near the Florida Panhandle, the Gulf of Mexico. This is the system that'll ride up the coastline. This will actually intensify into a significant storm, but, well, for one, it'll be too far offshore to have a real big impact, and two, there's really not enough cold air to support any kind of snow. This is primarily a quick shot of some rain early on Wednesday morning, but again, some northwest suburbs may see a few hours worth of freezing rain. So let's kind of put this into motion for the next couple of days. You see that system coming out of the Gulf and across Florida. So that stays to our south on Tuesday. So bottom line, you can see we're dry and some sunshine here Tuesday. This system will watch for very late Tuesday night, meaning probably this would be after the midnight hour. And then here you can see this precipitation working in. This is very early on Wednesday morning. This is primarily rain, though there may be a pocket of freezing rain for a couple of hours. But the bulk of the storm, and it's fairly impressive and intensifying, is going to stay just offshore. And watch how rapidly it moves from, this is Wednesday morning, 6 a.m. Watch what happens by Wednesday afternoon. It is just racing north and east, and you can see the clearing that's already taken. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon Wednesday. See this wedge of clearing as all this rain and even some snow for down east northern Maine rapidly pulls away. And then here we are Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. We're looking good. So for Tuesday morning, we're waking up to sunshine. It'll start off in the upper 20s to low 30s. By 11 a.m., 37. And we'll get up into the lower 40s during the afternoon. So a real nice day, near seasonable temperatures. By 5 o'clock in the evening, we are back down to 33. All right, jump ahead to Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Eve, Friday, looks overall fairly quiet. Could be a few flurries. Nothing significant here. Better chance for some precipitation on Christmas Day, especially during the morning. And at 45 degrees, we're thinking this will primarily be some rain showers, but check back with us. But at this point, the early call on Christmas is that it starts off wet in the morning and then drying by late afternoon and into the early evening hours. With that said, just want to jump ahead to Wednesday. That rain early in the morning, but again, the far northwest suburbs during the pre-dawn hours may see a few